For this DIY, I'll show you how I use 2 Christmas ornaments from Family Dollar to make 2 simple wall decor pieces. I removed the mirror from a diamond-shaped frame that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I attached my ornament at the feet and hands using Gorilla Hot Glue. For reinforcement, I attached beads that I purchased at Dollar Tree to the back of my ornament and my frame using Fix-All adhesive, and I allowed it to completely dry. I could only find 1 silver and 1 gold ornament at my Family Dollar, so I bought the gold one. I spray painted it silver. I covered it with Mod Podge and silver glitter. And here are my final wall decor pieces. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.